report destiny. Breaking developments tonight regarding South Texas Congressman Tony Gonzales.
News 4 confirms that the Office of Congressional Conduct opened investigation on Gonzales into the alleged affair he is said to have had with a former staffer who took her own life. Regina Santos-Aviles died in September after she set herself on fire at her home in Uvalde. This week, text messages surfaced showing Regina admit to the affair with Congressman Gonzales, and today News 4 confirmed the affair prompted a congressional ethics probe. We have team coverage tonight. The I-Team's Jordan Elder joins us with more on the ethics investigation and where it stands.
Attorneys for Adrian Aviles confirm he got a letter from the Office of Congressional Conduct in November. They were looking into a relationship between Congressman Tony Gonzales and Aviles' wife, who is a regional district director. Aviles' attorney, Bobby Barrera, says the office wanted to see texts, emails, and other communications between Gonzales and Regina Santos-Aviles. She died by suicide in September, setting herself on fire. It's unclear if this investigation is still underway. The Office of Congressional Conduct oversees all ethics investigations for the House of Representatives, and most of this process is confidential. We reached out to the office today to check on the status of any investigation, but we're told because of their governing rules, the office could not respond. Here's how these investigations typically work. The OCC does an initial review when they get an allegation. If they find enough evidence, it moves to a preliminary review, and then a board can authorize a second phase review. If it's deemed necessary, they refer the investigation to the House Ethics Committee. Most of the time, if cases are sent to that committee, they become public. It's at that point where we would potentially see disciplinary action. Barrera says to his knowledge, Aviles did not respond to that letter. I also reached out to Congressman Gonzales' office and asked if they were aware of any investigation, if it's still going on, and if he complied with it. So far, no response. Reporting in the Content Center, I'm Jordan Elder.
And there may be more legal fallout after the congressman took to social media. Our Yami Virgin now tells us what Regina Santos-Aviles' widower may file against Gonzales.
Adrian Aviles' attorney had mentioned on Wednesday that they were considering a lawsuit, but after something happened yesterday, they're now considering a libel lawsuit against Congressman Gonzales.
We're going to explore any potential legal issues, legal remedies.
Then on Thursday, this post on X from Congressman Tony Gonzales' account alleging he was being blackmailed by Regina Santos-Aviles' widower. Quote, "I will not be blackmailed. Disgusting to see people profit politically and financially off a tragic death. The public should immediately have full access to the Uvalde police report. I will keep fighting for District 23. Gonzales also posted a notice letter of potential litigation by the widower. According to his attorney, Bobby Barrera, they're now considering filing a libel lawsuit for the congressman, saying that the widower is trying to extort him. We asked attorney Tim Maloney why this may be necessary.
The issue then is Gonzales' response to it of saying that that amounted to blackmail. That is problematic for Tony Gonzales because that is the accusation of a criminal offense, and that's a different deal altogether. When you accuse someone of a crime, that brings it to a different level than if you're just accusing someone of being dishonest or they did something bad.
At 6 o'clock, we're going to show you the response from Regina Aviles Santos' widower on the congressman's X post. Yami Virgin, News 4 San Antonio.
And News 4 will continue pressing for answers when it comes to the investigation and the allegations against Congressman Gonzales. You can follow us on social media and get updates anytime on our website, news4sa.com. Now to